Hey guys, another SAT question here, and this is geometry. Okay, so question number 20. A 30-foot ladder is propped up against a wall as shown in the figure. Okay, so you can see the wall on the left side and the initial ladder position, and then this ladder is going to be dropping downwards, and you'll see the new ladder position in the image. Okay, so if the ladder slips down 3 feet along the wall so that its bottom moves 15 feet away from the base of the wall, how far away from the wall was the bottom of the ladder initially? Okay, so we're going to approximate this, and you'll kind of see how this question gets solved. Now, the challenge of this question is really to interpret what the question's actually asking and how you can set this question up. So what I've done here is I have re-diagrammed this image, and hopefully this will be a lot more clear to you when you look at it, okay? So I have the diagram, and here it's saying if the ladder slips 3 feet away along the wall, right? So we have the ladder here slipping 3 feet from the wall, and so that if its bottom moves away 15 feet away from the base of the wall, so this is the base of the wall, and it's now 15 feet away from the base of the wall. Okay, so notice that in geometry, a very common formula you're going to use is the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, Pythagorean theorem, and it states that a squared equals b squared plus c squared if you have a triangle. Okay, a is the longest side, b, c. Okay, notice that we have a triangle here, 30 here, and this one's 30 here, so the ladder's 30 feet long. You've got this side here, and you can get this one here, right? So same idea here. We can rearrange this formula so that in order to get b, we're going to get b squared, right? And if we subtract c from this side, we'll rearrange this and basically get a squared minus c squared. And if we square root both sides, we're going to get b equals a minus c. Okay. So similarly, we can take this here and take this side here, which is 30. I think I forgot this squared here. So 30 squared minus 15 squared. We're going to square root that. And we'll just replace this with BC because this side is called BC, okay? And BC, the side BC is 900 minus 225. Okay, this is going to equal 675. And if you use your calculator, you can get 25.98, which then will equal about 26. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense so far. So now we've identified this side here as 26. Right? And 26 plus 3 is 29. So this whole side from D to B is 29. And now you can solve for this triangle here because we know this is 30, that's 29. Similar idea, 30 squared minus 29 squared, right? This is the longest side, so it's got to be the A part. And we're looking for BE, square rooted. Okay, this is basically that formula there. 900 minus, and don't think I can magically know this number. I actually have solved this before. I'm showing you how to do this, okay? So the side BE is 900 minus 841, which is 59, okay? And when we square root this, we get 7.68 feet. Okay? So hopefully that helps. I think the key thing here is trying to understand what all this means and then trying to work around these triangles and how they're working in this area here. And then once you understand how to kind of manipulate this Pythagorean theorem and move things around, you can do a lot of, what do you call it? Substitution with the letter, with the numbers, and then eventually get to your answer. I would recommend reviewing the video again if there's anything that's confusing. In the SAT, you'll be able to put this as 7.68. That's like 4 different pieces of information into the multiple choice scanner, and get your answer. Hopefully the right answer, right? So until the next video, hope that helps out, and you guys have a good day.